Guy wey come from abroad, my people, he land Nigeria. Not too long ago, as he just reach Nigeria like this na, so una know say normally if you reach one country like that and you get family member wey too dey go church, they go come dey invite you, dey pressure you, you understand. Na so this guy land o. His sister come carry am go church. Ngwanu, dey go, e dey go, e dey go. Na so the matter come reach another level wey break no even dey again, my people. First one wey we hear say this guy, they don tell am, talk am sweet, talk am sweet, talk am. In fact, the talk too sweet. Na so this guy just go carry him car, say e dey sow seed. After he sow that seed, as if say he never even do, we bin think say okay, the matter go end for there, my people. By the time we turn round 2 times, na so we come hear say this guy don go carry land, sow seed. Land o, after car. Everybody come dey get tension, heart attack. Say wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen. We no know say this guy in fact, the next one wey dey come na for all of us to die, make we no wake up again. Na so these people dey get family house normal level, and for that family house, according to matter wey reach me, they say the guy, this guy in question, abeg put the picture, make they see what they talk about. As una dey see am there o, he get the largest share for the family house. They say na 80% of the share belong to am. Though the remaining 20% normal level na family members dey support. So the house now, he carry this same house. This same house, he carry and sow seed. Family house. My people, that one he come in fact, he come bust our head. We know it. Because when after he give the car and the land, everybody thinks that day and I bust up be that. Just for the father, and the father even there around, when the mama don't die. The father even there around, he there alive. You won't do this kind of thing, at least you no go even take permission from your father. My people, now so this guy go carry. In fact, the father, the heartbreak self, I not sure say this man, now God, that man for don't get heart attack, die by now. So I don't bring him now, call on a screen for now, we no know him. Before I will continue, you understand? So join me, make we listen to the father.
My son, Shedrack, when he came back from London, started worshiping with Christ Embassy Warri. I was so pleased that my son becomes a Christian. But sometimes, unknowingly to me, the car he was using, he gave it to the church. When I asked him, he said he sowed the seed with it. Later on, information reached me that even the house, the family house, we are living now with 4 tenants, my children, and a store, that he has given it as a seed to Christ Embassy. Running up to 1 month now, they have refused to release the hard documents presented by my son, Shedrack. We have contacted our lawyer to intervene. Our son used his car to sow seed a year ago, and now use the family house to sow seed. The family is opposed to it. Like this, we seize this opportunity to appeal to Pastor Prince Oyakhilome to direct his Warri senior pastor to release the house documents. We have also reported the matter to the police station.
Obara Jesus. I'm not going to understand now. We're not just saying that the same God we dey serve for this, like this world where we did. Now, I be some people get another God where me I don't know. This family house where they talk to now about, no be say they just one building like that where the family members is still. This same compound they get tenants, 4 tenants. Hey, so you carry family house sold to God. You carry the tenants join. You sold tenants too. You sold them to God. My brother, in fact, no be the one way they talk say some things are dangerous. This your seed is super dangerous. I don't even know where to even start from like this. Now everything una they give a seed. Everything. Because no, maybe me I know they read Bible the one they read am. E get part for Bible where they talk say give to Caesar what is for Caesar and to God what is for God. So why you can't they carry? No, you don't understand. Okay, make we just say, okay, in kind of personal thing. You carry your fan. Now that one, nothing pay me like that one. You don't consider your papa. You don't consider your siblings. You don't consider the one where even they pay my body now. Even the church itself. Hey, for now we don't know the church where they talk about. Because I'm not saying I don't hear I'm there for the video. For now we no pay attention. I they talk about Christ Embassy. Yeah, Omo for branch. I don't know who would be the head of this branch, but he need hear me. Even if, because see, now why una exist oh? Pastors, the reason why you are there as pastors is to correct things that are not right. This seed thing, see, is wrong. It is wrong. Not be every seed as pastor, not be every seed you supposed even accept. You get some seed where you supposed question, say, wait, oh, you should say where you get this thing from, who get that? Like you know understand, you supposed question before you even accept, but no. Now some people, the only thing where they just give me, they just want to collect. No, you don't even want to know who he affect, who he not affect. You know, So now, as soon as day now, you not even care. Say, okay, oh, if we take this family house where these people want stay, you not even think you not even say, wait, as if they give us this thing, we not get another house, you not even bother. You not even accept, I bless you. Not be about the I bless you. Now the heart. Because this say, no, you don't too much, you not don't overdo this one. No. Nothing when una want tell me this one na overdo. In fact, you they leave people houseless. According to Ramo, the boy open mouth. Even they thought say any asha make her no just say na the boy because this thing another force they behind that. Because this guy no fit just come on your own like that. And he open mouth. Even they thought say they give all these things away because they prepare for the kingdom of God. My brother. Hey, Chineke me. Omo. Last, I go leave church for now. I go soon leave church for now because it be like say no, now when they do some kind of things where you go make person they feel like say it be sinner or you know they do some kind of things. No, now they imagine. No, listen now. This boy don't do this thing now, Abi. Okay. Now imagine person where did that church when no even get where to sleep. After a year, because normally they go come give testimony, say you don't do this, you don't do that. Okay, now person will sit down for that congregation where you don't even get food. Una go come they put pressure for him mind. That one too go can't do anything just so that him too go so seed, so that they go announce his name. But sometimes if una they do some things, why una no fit just like I know, hey, I they laugh, I know they laugh. I dey laugh, but no, because my people, if una see lawyers, as I dey talk to now, lawyers don't go this house, this family house where they talk to now about. They don't carry lawyer. This Omofo branch at Christ Embassy, they don't carry lawyers because they get the papers now. The boy give them house papers. Say, okay, I give it to you. Now they don't carry the papers with lawyers to prove that the house has been given to them. So now they don't go there evacuate everybody. They say everybody come up for the house. Is it good? No, I dey ask una, is it good? You don't carry church for your head pass person wey even invite you go the church. Your sister wey dey attend the church since, how come your sister never go do this thing? See, I no dey against giving o. If you wan give, e good, but some givings una suppose get sense as una dey give. No, this one he even, in fact, he pass my power. This one pass be careful. This giving, he pass be careful. So abeg o, na why I come today. Now why I come today, if una no even dey fear anything, make una fear God. If una no dey fear, because now many people don't dey speak on behalf of God, even waiting God no talk. If una no dey fear anything, fear God. No leave these people on the street. And this house what they talk about, no be small house, una be in fact the name of the street for una to see say this person where they talk about no be anyhow person. The name of the street sef na the papa name. So now go imagine the house. Imagine say the street belong to you, your house. No, not be small house. I beg, for the sake of God, make una no leave that. Even if una no even look that boy, the old man, make una no do anyhow, no do anyhow. I beg, make una just respect una self, because see, now I beg, I dey beg o. So please, now why I bring this matter, because see, if una never share any of my videos, una see this video, hey, make una start from this one, because we need save this family. It's very, very important. I don't know what they do to this boy. I don't know. I don't know matter where they even get before now. But matter reach me say they brainwash am, say they tell am many things. Say this one, if you do this one, you go get this one. If you do this one, you dey save for the kingdom of God. My brother, save with wisdom. Prepare for the kingdom of God with wisdom. Because I don't even know whether to call this one jazz. I don't know whether to say they use something, I be they give her something chop. I not just don't understand. You understand? So please return the papers. That house paper. Una fit take car because that one na your own. Return that paper. Now why I bring this matter now? So please, sir. Daddy, Pastor Chris, Biko, you need to intervene in this matter. I don't know whether you there well, I don't know whether you know they are well, but I don't bring her now so that you go there away in case you know they are well. May they return those papers to real long, are they beg? You understand? And from now, Biko, make una they weigh the seed. Weigh the seed. If na in personal house now, it good. This one a family house. I beg my people, make una help me share this video. It is very, very important. Share this video because the right people need to hear me. And make sure say you comment anything where you guys to say. You understand? I want to know what you think concerning this matter, because to me, you don't pass. Be careful. You don't too much. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you know where they get hot gist like this. Trust me. Stay tuned for our next story.